What up, YouTube? SOD Money here, bringing you a Allen and Ginter. So let's bust this bad boy open. Not too sure on this product. Hopefully we can get a hair sample. Starting off with the box topper. Let's see what we get. I've had trouble opening these in the past. The box topper is USA beats Puerto Rico in last at bat. It's kind of big, you might not be able to see it, but nothing special. Okay, first pack, here we go. This fucking last pack, I'll tell you what. We go, Saunders is pitching a ALCS game. Buckwez, rookie of Hill. Rat base. Upton, and Manny, mini card of Joey Peralta. Not numbered. Next pack. Young, rookie of Perry from Detroit, Cook from the Yankees, Pena from Tampa Bay, Fukudome from the Cubs. We got an art card here of Ken Griffey Jr., El Mini, and Carlos Ruiz from the Phillies. So we got a hit in this package. Mini card fell out, god damn it. Fowler from the Colorado Rockies. We got Upton, we got Romero rookie card. We got Hanley Ramirez, CC art card, Wilkins basketball, Burley, do that perfect game, Cano, and Romero. No hit, something with thick on there, guess not. We got a Hill from the Jays, Mariano from Minnesota. This mini card of the hell is that? Creatures and Legends of Minotaur. It's out to some nerd. Winsing rookie, not a rookie. We got a hit. Oh, nice. Rick Ankiel. 5 of 10. Todd Helton on the back. Is that just a art card or? It's on the tag. Give you a nice better look at that 5'10" Rick Ankiel. Looked like Pujols at first, got excited.
Roland Euclid Lee. Jose Lopez mini card. Peischer? Oh, whatever.
Crack that baby open. Look on the back of that mini that you got. Is that numbered?
Yeah, 1 of 1. I got a 1 of 1 here of the mini card of Michi. That's cool. It's handwritten too. I'll show you. 1 of 1. Gil Michi. It's pretty sweet. Thank you.
Why did you even put Ankiel in that fucking box?
Simpson. We got Morse. Vera. This is a weird product, but a lot of people like it. It's my first box.
Rookie.
Schaefer. And we got Berg. It looks like he's a card builder. I don't know. Yeah, if you want any of these commons, they're for sale.
Even the 1 of 1.
Even the 1 of 1. Or anything we get in here for sale. Just PM me, let me know. Give me an offer. I'm pretty generous.
What the fuck is that?
The Wisconsin State Capitol collapses. Okay.
Card that.
Johan Santana.
Oh, John Santana.
John Santana. Where's that hair sample?
Come on, Halloween, where are you at? Oh,
Oh.
numbered to that. Nope.
No, just a goofy bordered card.
What the hell is that?
Armstrong.
Oh,
And Ryan Howard.
easy.
I think we got 1 hit. This one feels kind of thick. This looks like
Hopefully.
another hit. Let's see. For Call, Meyer, Freud. Yeah, not much there. Felt thick.
Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Damn it. Damn, what's my yellow? Well, stop fucking taking for you.
And Noble.
Pujols?
And Pujols.
Poo holes.
What do Cardinals fans and gays have in common?
Poo holes.
They both love poo holes. A stupid joke that floats around St. Louis I can't stand.
Pretty lame.
Oh, Mexico. Jorge Cantu.
And shout out to Ollie Morris. Hunter Payments.
Edison Balquez.
Oh, Edison Balquez. Okay.
Got a jersey autograph of him the other day in Baseball Heroes if you're interested. Number 250, I believe.
American fans. We're more of the American collectors up here, but.
Yeah, I'm waiting for something here. Maybe we're gonna get a bunch of hits.
Oh.
Dice gay.
Oh, who's that? Oh, Brad.
Brad Lidge.
Brad, I can't get anybody out Lidge.
Brad the loser.
Yeah, I like it.
Giovanni Gallardo.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Look for 3 of the following: autograph, relic, printing plate, rip, or cut.
Well, you got a printing, I guess.
I don't know what you call that tag we got. That might be a hit, but if it's not, we're still guaranteed to do more.
Hopefully they stuck in a poem down there somewhere.
Yeah, I'll take a cut or something if that's what if they just want to give us that.
Yeah, it's something.
Oh, there we go. It's a Lincecum jersey card. And it is...
Maybe they'll give you a Lincecum hair sample.
It is not numbered.
Alright, pack number 500. What we got here? Oh, Duncan! We got Dunk, Grinke, Teixeira, Darwin, Santana, St. Patrick's Cathedral, Lion, and Vlad. Little card always seems to pop out on me. Supine, ex-Cardinal. Murphy, Madison, Tulowitzki, McCain, Gottling, made the Gottling gun. We got here Allen and Ginter, David Price, and Hideki, Japanese hero. Domit, Atkins, Morse code guy, Molina, Clemente, Eller, Murphy, and Sin Chu Chu. Suchu, whatever the fuck his name is. Yeah, we got a Khalil Green. Sariano, Jones, Zimmerman, Mono, Wood, what is it? Salazi. Ethiopian Empire, not numbered. Ethiopian fans, and Fuck You Do Me. Wow. I think we got the cut in that pack that I set aside. Build a little suspense, hopefully. Yeah, Mora, Webb, Pena, Wright, Suzuki, Huff. We got a Heron Mini, not numbered, Zambrano, and a Break the Code, whatever the hell that is. Back to go. Yeah, Hop, Bailey, Emilio, Higby, Soriano Bat, Matt Schrader. One more. Hopefully that Ankiel didn't count. Maria, Nora, Lowe, skip the auto. Kane and Victor Martinez, the auto. No, not Jay Bruce from Cincinnati. unautoed. Well, that wraps up Allen and Ginter.